There's millions of dollars in hail damage every year to vehicles alone. You know, a business that stores vehicles, that's their livelihood. If those vehicles are damaged, could take months to see insurance money, and even then it might not cover all of the associated costs. So it's really a cost savings measure to install a system like this.
We have experience over the past years where we did not have appropriate protection, and the hail damage, frankly, were in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Painful for us financially, insurance issues, just a variety of things that as a dealership we just don't need to want to deal with. With this hail net protection, it'll protect our inventory properly, which gives us peace of mind and actually keeps our insurance rate at a much more manageable level. I would recommend WeatherSolve structures for anyone who needs to protect against adverse weather, in particular hail.